Hello everyone! In this tutorial I will show you a website where you can use SORA2 and VEO3 for free with unlimited images and without watermarks. To start, go to the link in the description or type geminogen.ai in Google, and then you will be directed to this website. First of all, you have to sign up with Google or with your email and password. I will sign in with Google, it's the easiest way. Click on Continue. Now you have an account with 40 credits, but we will make videos with 0 credits. Now in the top menu, click on Studio and then Video Generation. As you can see here, we have Sora Video Generation and it's for free. Also, we have the VEO option and it's also free. Starting with Sora, here the most important thing is to choose the free model SORA2. Also, you can upload a photo reference if you want to, or directly use a prompt. You can also choose if you want your video to be in landscape or portrait, and the duration will be 10 seconds because 15 seconds is premium. As you can see here, this generation will cost 0 credits. For me, I already have a ready prompt. I will paste it here and click on Generate with Sora, so it will start loading. It will take like 5 minutes to generate, so we will wait until the video is ready. And meanwhile, we will try also VEO3. I also have a ready prompt to use, and I will paste it here. Select VEO Video Generation, then VEO 3.1 Fast for free credits. You can choose the resolution as you want, 720p or 1080p, then the aspect ratio, and click on Generate Video. Of course, it will take some time. You can check here in the notification section if the video is ready, or in the history section here, it will show you all the videos generated. Here, as you can see, the VEO3 video is ready. I can watch it here and download it.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now we will check the Sora video. The quality is really good. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.